Bearing production process. The production of bearings, also known as ball bearings or rolling bearings, involves several steps from raw materials to the finished product. Below is the basic process. 1. Raw material preparation. High-quality alloy steel is typically used as the primary material for bearings. This type of steel must have high hardness, wear resistance, and excellent load-bearing capacity. 2. Forging and shaping steel billet processing. Raw steel is cut into smaller sections that are appropriate for forming the bearing components, such as the inner ring, outer ring, and balls. Forging process. The steel billets are heated and forged into the near-final shapes of the bearing components. This process improves the mechanical properties of the steel, making the final product stronger and more durable. 3. Precision machining. Turning and milling. After forging, the inner and outer rings are machined to precise dimensions and shapes. Ball manufacturing. Steel is cut and rounded to form the balls. These balls are then processed to achieve the required roundness and smoothness. 4th, heat treatment. Heat treatment. The bearing components, inner and outer rings and balls, are subjected to heat treatment in a furnace to increase hardness and improve wear resistance. This process enhances the mechanical properties of the components. 5. Grinding and polishing, surface grinding. After heat treatment, the inner and outer rings, as well as the balls, are ground to achieve high precision in dimensions and surface finish. Polishing. The balls are polished to obtain a smooth and shiny surface, ensuring they can roll smoothly with minimal wear. 6th, assembly. Once all the components are ready, they are assembled into complete bearings. The assembly process typically involves fitting the balls between the two rings and adding accessories like a cage to keep the balls in place. 7. Quality inspection. Dimensional and tolerance checks. The finished product is inspected for dimensional accuracy, tolerance levels, and roundness. Functional tests. Bearings undergo tests to check load-bearing capacity, smoothness of movement, and durability. 8. Lubrication and packaging. Lubrication. Bearings are lubricated with special oils or grease to ensure optimal performance during use. Packaging. The bearings are carefully packaged to protect them from dust and moisture before they are stored or shipped. 9. Distribution. After packaging, the bearings are distributed to customers or retail suppliers. This process may vary slightly depending on customer requirements and the specific technologies used by different manufacturers.